getting over 12 items, this is just a few of them, over 12 items for less than $10, count me in. A lot of you have been asking me both here and on my YouTube channel, which is the same name, Laundry Talk, how you can get items with rolling over your rewards from one transaction to the next and get them for the lowest price, and I'm going to show you how, so stick around. So for this simulation, I'm going to show you 3 things we're going to work with. These are going to be our dollars. So we're going to go into this transaction with $11. So I know I said we're going to pay less than 10 at the end, but we're going to go to this transaction with $11, right? So these are our dollars. Then these are going to be your Walgreens cash. Walgreens cash, that's the same thing as calling them points into your account. And this is what goes into the account so you can spend later. You don't get something physical. Then this is register rewards. So the RR stands for register rewards. And this is what you get back from the Catalina machine, which is the machine next to the register that prints out your receipts. The register prints out your receipt, and the Catalina machine prints out a register reward. So it prints out something as like a coupon that you can use later on, okay? So that's that. So those are the 3 things that we're going to need to know so we can do our simulation. Let's get started. Okay, so you're going to get 2 Fructis Garnier shampoo and conditioner. In my case, I got conditioners because I had gotten shampoos from the brand Tresemme, okay? So pick up 2 of these. They're 2 for $8 this week. There is a $3 digital coupon that comes off. So it brings it down to $5, but you do get back a register reward of $3 for both of them. At the end, your total cost will be $2 after all rewards and digital coupons, or basically $1 for each one. I'm putting this into one transaction where I'm going to put these 2 Colgates. They're at $5 each for a total of $10. There is a $4 digital coupon that comes off of 2 products. So $10 minus 5, you're left to pay $6, but you're going to get back a register reward of $5 that you could use on another purchase, bringing them down to $1 for both or 50 cents for each one. We have $8 from the shampoo or conditioners, and then we have the $10 of the toothpaste. Your total is $18. We're going to take away the 3 digital coupon for the conditioner, and then minus the $4 for the toothpaste. So you're down to $11. This is before you get any rewards. So here is where your $11 that you're going to pay out of pocket comes in. You're going to do an initial investment so you can see all the benefits that you're going to get at the end. So $11 is going to be what you're going to invest in this transaction. But you're going to get back $3 for the 2 shampoo and conditioner. So that's $3 in a register reward. $3 in a register reward. Then you're going to get back $5 for buying the 2 toothpaste. So that's going to be $5 in another register reward. So you're going to get a total of $8 back, right? In register rewards. Now, for this to come out the best deal possible, if you have been seeing my videos, if you haven't, go check those out. I showed you how you can get a picture of 4x6 at Walgreens. You're going to pay about 12 cents for it. In one sold transaction. You're going to pick it up, put your number. I put a promo code, so go check the video out. And it's going to generate a special coupon that's called a booster or a perk. And you're going to use that booster or perk, and you're going to put it in this transaction. So get that picture ordered and get your booster first. You're going to take that $5 and put it to this transaction. And then you're going to get Walgreens cash for it, okay? So you do the transaction. You give your perk of $5, spend 15, get 5. You're going to give that in to the store with your money and cash. You're going to get all this in register reward, and you're going to get $5 put into your account, okay? You're going to put that into your account, right? So now, this, you don't see it in person. You're going to use it for later. Sorry about the noise. I was doing great with the explaining. However, doing a voiceover is going to be a little complicated. So for that portion. So moving it along, I'm picking up 2 of these acts. They're $5 each this week for a total of $10. And there is a $7 digital coupon that comes off it. Then we're getting 2 Colgate toothbrushes in this case, because there's 2 coupons that we have in the app. One for the toothpaste, one for the brushes. So the Colgate is a total of $8 minus 4 of a digital coupon. You'll have to pay $4 out of pocket, but you get $3 back in a register reward. Okay, so let's do the math for this one. we're going to put the $10 for those 2 Axe products and the $8 for the 2 brushes, total of $18 for all 4 products. But remember, we have registered rewards from prior purchases and Walgreens cash. But first, we're going to take off digital coupons, 7 for the Axe and 4 for the tooth brushes. Now you're down to $7 that you're going to have to pay out of pocket. Remember, we have the $5 that we put into this other account, transaction 1, into this transaction. So we're going to take away $5 in the Walgreens cash, and we're going to put a $3 register reward from the first transaction into this one. Now, there are some stores that accept that as long as your total is enough to be covered by those register rewards or points or anything like that. And some stores give an issue. Because you are using points, usually it is not a problem to use that $3 register reward. So again, we're using $5 in those points, $3 in the register reward from transaction number 1. So that should cover your entire total. And of course, all these videos, usually they're not including taxes. So the taxes, you would have to pay them separate. But again, everything should be covered and you should be good to go. Now we're going to go to the third transaction. For our third transaction, we are picking up 4 of these Gain Softeners. They are on sale, 4 for $10 this week. There are no digital coupons for it and you don't get something back, but the price is already really good at $2.50 each one. So remember, we still have $10 between those 2 register rewards, the $5 we got back for those Colgates in transaction 1 and the $5 we got back from that transaction of the other items of Colgate. So the toothbrushes and the toothpaste are giving us back a total of 2 different transactions for a total of $10, and it covers it 100%. Because I'm going to show you how you're going to get back $3 extra, these 2 soaps, you can get them for 99 cents each for a total of $1.99 if you want to in this transaction, and everything will still be less than $10. Now, these 2 Garniers are giving you an Ibotta rebate of $3. So here's my referral code. If you do your first transaction, you're going to get a welcome bonus. Plus, you're going to get back those $3 as well into your account. So that's something, if you're interested, do so. Now, because you're going to get back $3, that's going to bring the transaction for much less than $10. And then you can get those soaps in the back that I showed you a moment ago. But again, it's up to you if you want to calculate it that way. If you don't get the little soaps, and you're still going to get everything for $9.99 for 12 items. If you do include them, it'll be a total of 14 items. Anyway, don't forget to like and follow for more videos like these. If you like this type of content where I break it down super simple and add all these extra explanations, go ahead and put it in the comments and comment on any other videos you want to see. Share so that more people could enjoy the savings just like you and I. And until the next one, don't forget to smile. And here's a picture of all the 14 items.